This is a Chucky Beat production.
Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another Carib Fusion video. So it's review time again, and to be honest, there are so many new songs out right now. I don't know if I'll be able to go through all of them, but this one today is about Vybz Kartel, Hold It. So stay tuned for that. As always, guys, you know I don't go line for line, word for word, verse for verse in my reviews. I just tend to go for standout lines and the overall general message of the song, and if there's any comparisons to be made, then I'll do it or break down the beat in some cases. This case I won't, but let's get into it. Straight away, him kick off the verse and say, you know, don't hang your hat where you can't reach it, show off, bring disgrace. And enough of us growing up in the Caribbean know this is something where your granny would have said, your mother probably would have said, you know, don't hang your hat where you can't reach it. What it means, don't bite off where you can't chew, and don't show off because it will bring disgrace. So right then and there, you know, I'm teacher mode, and this is why people call him the teacher, and that's why I'm calling himself the teacher. I said, listen up, hear what I say. Again, from the tone of this, you can tell it's a positive song. One of the things with Vybz Kartel, when he's doing a positive song, you know, most time you hear, you know, a culture tune or a positive tune, people's mind tend to turn off because if I say, oh God, they're going to preach to me. But the way how he actually approached the song, you can kind of vibe to it as well as get the message behind it. You understand what I mean? Because sometimes people just say, oh, positive song, I don't want to hear it. As bad as that sound, tell me if I lie, me I tell. So I love how him kick it off, got into the teacher mode and ready for school the youths them and say, here what, listen to this. So again, the theme carries on. If you can't buy oxtail, hold a chicken back, or if you can't work with a high-end premium type of meat, then work with where you know chicken back. Again, I'm sure to get to youths them say, here what, and everything where you see other people with, you can have. Or if you unless you're willing to do certain things, forget it, you're not gonna have it. But when him say go and hold it, no Lego, I think the message that I get from it is he's not saying don't strive for better, but what is the price you're willing to put on it? He might say, yo, if you allow certain things to happen, then you forgot bus bump in a man's face and all them things there. And you know, this is not the first time Kartel has made a reference like this. I know if you don't remember the song Carman, when him say Carman and them get a thought, you know what I'm saying? So the song Carman is about 7 years old, or probably even older. Enough Vybz Kartel fans will know the song. It was on the Crazy Frog rhythm. One time that rhythm they run the place. And the line that he made in that is similar to this one, where him say, man, we a switch for a bimmer for simmer, man a ton faggot for Prada, Baba, nothing cross my body border, me will go and drive a bumbo clat ladder. So when I heard this song, Hold It, it actually reminded me of that song, Carman. Because, you know what I'm saying, a lot of things were going on recently about, you know, men switching in order to get forward in life. Whatever, that's not my business anyway. But I'm just saying it's not the first time Vybz Kartel has made a reference in saying what he won't do. But him also encourage his listeners to say, yo, there's certain things you have to draw the line at if you want to go forward in a life. But, you know what I'm saying, not no worse than hunger pain. So you have to know what you want out of life. That's kind of what me get from that message, or that part of the song. So my overall impression is a nice song, is a good song, and one of the things with Vybz Kartel, which most people would attest to, is that him balance him thing really good. So he might have him bad man tune, he might have him girl tune, he might have him society tune, which I think this is one of them. He might have him encouragement tune, and when it's time to step up and say, yo, bad man, you know, big man, boy is a boy, then we get that too. So yeah, overall, I think this song will get a lot of play. We'll get a whole heap of forward. People will probably just sit down and listen to that song and meditate as well, because it is a good song. Would I say it's the greatest song he has done? Absolutely not. But then it's a situation like this whereby you know he's gonna come with something else soon anyway. You know what I mean? But it's a good song, a good encouraging song for the youth them, or for everyone actually, not just the youth them, for all the way. So overall, yeah, I rate it. I like the song. This song is now on my playlist. So I just wanted them thing there. I want a gym vibe. New year, new me. Yeah, this song is now on my playlist, ready for go and hold it, and you know, it sets a good tone for the year. So we want to see where I come with next. We want to see, you know, the next set of tune and where I'm going to drop for the rest of the year. So yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you like it, do a thumbs up for me. That would be awesome. If I miss anything, then you know, hit me up in the comments as well. I'll be back later with a couple more videos. So I'll see you guys later. Peace. With someone you are.